This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. I love being here helping you with playing the guitar. In this video, we're going to be jamming together, you, me, and the band, playing some chord progressions using the chords I introduced in the last video, intermixed with some of the other chords that we've learned previously. So in the last video, we learned the F chord that uses all 6 strings, has that index finger barring across all 6 strings, and then the other fingers there. The B flat bar chord that we play there in first position that we learned in the last video, and the C7 chord. So these ones are still the focus chords of the lesson series, but we are going to run into some of the other chords that we've learned previously. It's going to be a super fun jam. Now this video does accompany lesson 11 from my Chords and Harmony Books 1 and 2 method book. So if you have that book, you're going to want to turn to pages 67 and 68. We're going to be on those pages playing song numbers 4, 5, 6, and 7. It's going to be super fun. Those songs are going to happen at 2 different tempos with these jam-along tracks. They're going to happen at a slower tempo and a faster tempo. That gives you a chance to work them at each of those tempos. If you run into chords as we're playing these that you can't remember how to play, there is the reference sheet towards the back of the book where you can find how to play those. That's probably the easiest place to remember how to play them, but there's also places earlier in the book you can find wherever it was introduced, and that will also help you. It's going to be fun. Now, with each one of these, you're just going to use a strumming pattern that is assigned to it there in the book. For numbers 4, 6, and 7, that's going to be down, down, up, down, up, down, up. For number 5, we're going to use that down, down, up, down, up strumming pattern. It's going to be lots and lots of fun. With the down, down, up strumming pattern on numbers 4 and 6, there's going to be places where we have 2 chords per bar. So for example, with number 6, it starts A minor and C, and then G and F, or F, how we're playing it now. So with that, I would go A minor, down, down, up, then C, down, up, then down, down, up for the G, and down, up for the F. So it'd sound like Re-T and A minor, C, G, F, and so on and so forth. So that's how that will work. There with number 7. That one has the C7 in parentheses in the last measure, because that's a turnaround chord in that 12-bar blues, pulls us back to the top. We're only going to play it once, but we're still going to play that turnaround chord in that final bar. However, we'll end with a big, long, nice held chord, F note, F chord there at the end of that. So we'll feel that conclusion there. So that C7 will help us pull the F chord. Okay, it's going to be a super fun jam. Gives us a great opportunity to continue working on these chords. Let's go ahead and jam together. Okay, great. I hope you're having fun with this. Just keep working at it. If it's a real struggle for you to play these bar chords, it's okay. Remember to stretch. Just work at them a little bit at a time. Keep having fun with it, and you'll get better and better at it over time. In the next video, we're going to play the other 3 songs that are part of Lesson 11 in the Chords and Harmony book. We'll jam together on those. It's going to be great. Take care. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at kristenbromley.com. Take care.